In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add business hours to your GoDaddy website. First, log into your GoDaddy account and go to your website dashboard. Once you are signed in, look for the Websites Plus Marketing section. From there, choose the website you want to update. This will take you to the management area for that site. Next, click Edit Website or Edit Site to open the GoDaddy Website Builder. This is where you can make changes to the content and layout of your website. After the editor opens, go to the page where you want your business hours to appear. If your site already has a contact section, you can open that section directly. Select the contact section to open its settings. In the Settings panel, look for the option labeled Business Hours. If the Business Hours feature is turned off, enable it so the hours can be displayed on your site. Now enter your opening and closing times for each day of the week. Go through the schedule carefully and make sure each day reflects your actual business hours. If your business is closed on certain days, mark those days as closed so visitors will see the correct information. After entering all of your hours, review everything one more time. Check that the times are accurate and that each day is listed correctly. This is important because customers often rely on this section when deciding when to contact or visit your business. Once you have confirmed the information, click Preview to see how the business hours will look on your live website. This gives you a chance to make sure the layout looks clean and that the hours are easy to read. If anything looks off, go back and adjust the settings before publishing. When everything looks right, click Publish to make the updated business hours live on your website. Your visitors will then be able to see your current schedule directly from your site. Keeping your business hours updated helps customers know when you are available and improves the overall experience on your website. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.